even talk. I woke up in Ghana. So I'm currently in Ghana. I came yesterday morning, like at 7 a.m. It was such a rush to come here. If you guys know or watched, I just finished a trip in Nigeria. Well, let me not say just finished, but I am just coming back from Nigeria, specifically Lagos. My family and I were there. Now they're back in the States while I'm in Ghana staying with a very good friend of mine, Cecile. Yeah, so it's pretty exciting. I was supposed to vlog the whole process, like coming in and stuff like that, but honestly I got distracted. I think Ghana is really, really beautiful. It is Sunday morning. We have church, so we're just like getting ready. Yeah, this is what we're working with. I'm wearing this dress. I may just go like this, like fix this a little and just like go like that. Looks good. I had Ghana Jellof, y'all, with the egg, and it was honestly so good. I kid you not, it was good. Nigeria, I'm sorry. It was delicious. I am an NSCPD. If you guys don't know of NSCPD, it is an online church. It's really good. I'm just on it for the time being, but so far so great. Yeah, I will, like I said, I will be moving between my phone and my camera, so we'll see how that goes. Why did the dog suddenly shut off? I'm not sure, but so yeah, heading to church. Cecile is such a sweetheart. She said she's gonna make me food. That's like so sweet. I'm just like, girl, why are you so nice? Why are you so nice? You're such a good person. So yeah, my parents are home, siblings are home. Love that. I will leave in a week. So for now, I'm in Ghana for a week and it's super exciting. I'm gonna change this battery because this camera, I'm not gonna allow it to die. I bought like a whole bunch of batteries for this reason. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy my little vlog and I will see you guys later. Bye. Nigeria was so fun, by the way. I hope you guys will enjoy that vlog as well.
Behind you and salute her for me. That's Pastor Felix Owusu's mom. When you want to insult that your head is like Papa, will be very careful. We won't say it in her presence because then we'll be in trouble. Mama, we are glad that you are here to give us a son who is ministering here. And tell to somebody, service leader, just come. The bishop of the house. You see the bishop of the house, the archbishop of the house, Reverend Professor Kwame Redu. Shall give it to him for me.
Let's put our hands together for our senior pastor. Oh, we can.
Sorry, I didn't finish. From
So service is over. It was honestly amazing. It was beautifully put. You know what I'm gonna do this year? Manifest Jesus Christ. Yeah, it was great. Okay, so now we're finding a place to go. I don't know if I'll go back or wherever, but I'll take you guys along. guys, so we stopped at a little restaurant just to get some food. My friend is gonna go visit her family friend, aunt, so we're getting some stuff to bring as an offer. Sorry. Not to offer, as a gift to her. So we're just chilling here, waiting for our food, waiting for our drinks. I'm in my church gown. The area is so pretty. This is the seals. That's not ours. Ghana is so pretty, all. I want to show you guys around. I wish I should. Okay, look, guys. We're off to see the freedom, guys. Going out.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys. First night out in Accra. We are
going to this new lounge thingy.
We're going to where? We're going out for dinner, and we'll see where the night takes us.
7:49. So I'll update you guys. If not this, then the theme.
Like this, it's too hard.
Your camera? Oh, the light. Hey guys, so we are at a restaurant. I think it's called SOL. Soul, basically, as you guys can see. Soul. And yeah, I'm here with Cecile. And we're waiting for, we just ordered. It looks so good, y'all. Like, look at the background. Hold on. If I take a photo like this, it's clipped. But, hello. Look at our stuff. Hey. Huh?
She's thinking of drunk costume.
Oh, she.
Yeah, I am. So this is what it's called. It's called SOL. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, okay guys, so I'll talk to you guys later as we eat, and I'll give you guys like a taste test of how it tastes. So, bye. Guys, Cecile spilled her drink. They had to clean it. Look at it. You don't think she drank it? She didn't. It's spilled, but it's okay. She's embarrassed. Aww. Okay. So we're gonna look at the photos. Okay, guys. So we just finished dinner. It was so good. Now we're on our way back to her house.
No, we're not.
Eh? We're not.
We're going to get more drinks at Laboracha.
I think she's joking with me, but we don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna head into the car with my little. We're pretending like we're British, y'all. It's fun. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Okay, I guess we're going somewhere else. I don't know about this, but it should be interesting. Hey guys, so we're in our next location. This one is called Laboracha, and so far it's really nice. So we're just getting drinks. That's it. I'm getting a Baja Riz. It's literally just like strawberry puree, whatever that is. But we'll do a taste test to see how nice it is. So let me show you guys the interior of it. Nada de embargo. See that? It's so pretty. So this is what we're getting. This right here. This place is actually really pretty. What do you guys do when you guys are here?
It was like they're playing Afrobeats, so I like just like singing, vibing.
It's too white.
Basic is that.
Yeah.
We have to come back.
You want to come back? When do you guys go on a Thursday?
Friday.
Yeah, definitely. And plus this area looks like it's fun. So I've been taking some pictures, y'all. So you guys saw that one. I think it's nice. Hopefully I get to have a lot of content for this trip, y'all. It's Sunday, so you guys know, as you guys know, we had church, stayed in Cecile's aunt's house for a while. We actually stayed there for a long time. Hi guys. You see our background? Hi, Michelle. Oh, that's your twin. The twin is fun. Cecile does not sleep. She wants a kebab. So we are getting. It's true. But we're getting a kebab. What is that? Oh, it's on my hair. What's behind this? I like this. Wait, were we just here? Yeah. I love the music. What's going on here? Y'all, we getting the kebab. I think this is how it looks. This kind of thing.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So today, me and Cecilia here, we're just making some breakfast. We took our showers and everything. Cecilia's gonna go get her nails fixed because it's coming off and it's hurting. So she's gonna get that done. And in the meantime, I'm gonna eat some cereal and watch some Netflix, chill. I don't think I have anything much to do. Actually, I do. I'll just finish that quickly. Pick some photos. I've been really delaying on that. And then we'll go out to the museum, some touristy places. And then eventually in the night we'll go for dinner after I come back to the house and then do my meet-ins. My skin looks so clear. Wow, crazy. But
3 hours later.
hey guys, so it is currently, oh my gosh, something's in my eye. It's just so bad. It's currently 2:37. I finished eating breakfast. I watched a movie. Cecile came back after getting her nails taken off, and now we are planning on going to like a museum and then some touristy areas. I think today's supposed to be chill, and then we're supposed to come back to the house because I do have a meeting later on at like 6. So we're gonna see if we can get the day started quickly and do that and then come back. I actually really like this hairstyle. I'm feeling like, can I just go like this low-key? But anyways, I'm gonna bring my trusty bag here. What's in it, you ask? I don't know, but we're about to find out. Yeah, so I will see you guys when I see you guys, because I'm still looking for this thing. Just found it. Okay, I'm technically ready. I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss, and then we're gonna head out. Got my little bag here. Okay guys, so we're currently in KFC. I literally don't even be eating this, but they said that it's good here, so I was like, you know, why not? I tried it in Nigeria, and it was honestly, it was good. So hopefully this one could beat it. So Cecile is just there in our order. I got some chicken and some fries. They call it chips here, so that's really interesting. Yeah, we'll do like a taste test in the car, so that should be interesting.
Hi guys, she's
gonna try Ghanaian KFC.
Because I think it's the best in the world. I didn't eat KFC in America.
Exactly,
so
me too.
You should know.
So let's see, y'all. We'll see how this is. Anyways, so right now it is currently 4:44. I gotta get home before 6 for my meeting. But I think we're good. We went to the museum. Why can't I see anything? We went to the there's a price for Ghanaians and there's a price for non-Ghanaians. Cecile didn't have her passport. You need to show your passport as proof that you're Ghanaian. But she ended up speaking her language and I was like what tribe she's from, and then they gave us, you know, entry for the Ghanaian one. So that was funny. So that's one thing you need to know about coming to this museum. There are prices for non-Ghanaian and then Ghanaian. Zena's still in my eye, but it's okay. We're still gonna slay. So yeah, let me show you guys around. To the museum. That was interesting. I got to learn a little bit of the history. That was fun. I'm gonna show you guys some snippets of it. And yeah, okay. Okay guys, so we got our KFC. Now we're gonna do a taste test. Like good. Already?
Yeah.
Let me try mine. I don't know what I got. Y'all, this thing is not. Turns out. Salted. This is it, y'all. And I just didn't know what to do, so we're gonna try it. Eyes are good. Chicken looks kind of scary, but the one in Nigeria is better.
Are you serious?
I'm so serious.
That's a lie.
Good morning. It's morning, 2 minutes to the afternoon, as you guys can see. It is currently January 9th. I'm still in Ghana. It rained horribly, but the rain stopped, so that's good. I'm so sorry if I haven't been like really like talking to you guys or like actually vlogging. I'm trying, y'all. But basically today we were planning on going to the beach, but the rain messed that up, so I had to change my entire outfit to wear something that's like more chill appropriate. Still gotta do my edges. Maybe I could do my edges so I talk to y'all. I hate doing these edges. Like, can I just like put them in? Like, why can't I push them in? Like, this is so ghetto. It's too early for me to be bothering with these edges. Like, it hasn't been, I don't know if it has been a week and I'm here doing this. It hasn't been a week yet. I shouldn't have to even do edges. And now the rest of the week I'm free, so that's really good. Hopefully we do something tonight. I don't know. Hopefully I don't get tired. I'm excited to like our spa day, like to do our nails and stuff like that, because this nail is like really growing. I'm really seeing the new growth like crazy, so I really need that to be done. Thing came out my eyes yesterday, so that was great. And yeah, so we're just going to get started on going out, seeing where the day takes us, and hopefully this vlog is not boring. I really hope it's not. I'm really switching between this and then my camera, so yeah. Okay, so I got my bag on me. I have my bag on me. This is the fit. Pants. This is Sia, how she's looking. Gorgeous as you. It's okay for me. Hey guys, so we're at this place called Pomona. Maybe we'll sit outside or inside, I don't know. But hey guys, so we came to this restaurant called Pomona. This is it. And we're seated inside. It's a really pretty place. Like, look at that. It looks really nice, but we're gonna order some food, eat, and then we'll see where the day takes us. So yeah, I don't know if I should keep it recording, or is that awkward? Is it awkward to keep it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, she said it's awkward. Some people may be looking at us, but who cares? But it's okay. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. We're gonna make some orders, and yeah, bye, guys. So we just finished our food. This is what I have. We had some pesto. You look good. Yes. So now we're gonna. What are we doing now? Guys, so I got some Alamo pesto, something, and it's, I don't know how it tastes, but it looks kind of somehow. But yeah, I also got this really good drink. This is my second cup. It's really good. But yeah, okay, we're gonna have a taste test.
I run a post-construction cleaning company.
I like her. When I post it, you'll see. Good for you. Wow, this is nice. Anything. Do you want to do sip and cream? Is it worth it? I'm down. Literally, I'm down for anything. Down for anything at all. Where's my? I look like a Muslim man, bro. It feels like this, like normal. It's not far. Closer to home. Where? Where we going? We're like from the second thing. Okay. Or is there any other thing? Okay guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. We're trying to figure out where to go to next. So when we figure that out, I will call you guys. But so far the dinner was really good. Oh, I see. Bye guys.
This one here we did. This one is running out. I can't like you. But I just said I'll come down for and
I can.
yes, we'll take it the people.
You only speak English?
I speak true.
I don't get it.
Tina, who am I saying?
250, I can't.
Okay guys, trying to get some Souvenir.
All through the key.
The orange one.
You go for 2 of this one.
Wait, no, it looks like crocodile.
Well, I don't like those.
I think this one is fine.
I think this one's good.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get this bag. And I want to get a bead, but I'm not sure about. Let's go get a dress.
Like,
Like there was one I saw when we were across the corner. Over there. Is that it?
I'd rather do something like this.
Let's see, what are they saying?
It's time to reduce things. Like,
And my mom is making dresses anyway. Let's just not. It's okay. I'll just wear one of hers.
so what do you want?
Let's just. I got my purse. It's good.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll use it.
Reduce it.
It's okay. Let's go. I can get on. My mom is making dresses here. I'll just get those. Okay, y'all. So we tried to get them to reduce the price for the dress. He wouldn't budge, and I just thought, you know, I could get it somewhere else. So that's what we're gonna do. It's this one. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So now we're heading back to the car. Not sure where to now, but talk to you guys later. Wow, this is really nice actually. Is there a bathroom? Let me go fix this here. Okay guys, so we are currently at a hotel. Apparently there's like an art gallery here, so we're gonna see if we can look at it. No cameras guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Successful day. We had brunch. I guess you could say that's brunch. And then we took some photos. I don't know what else we did actually. What else did we do? We took brunch. We went to go buy some local stuff.
We went souvenir shopping. Went
Yes.
to the art gallery. But we're trying to go sit by the pool and relax, but it's under construction. So we're gonna look for something else to do.
That's her reason. But it's okay. Alright guys, the driver's here. We're gonna go and talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so now we are heading to go get a massage. We're being very spontaneous, but it's good because of the weather. Like the weather, it looks like it's gonna rain, so we're trying. Oh, they're pushing the car. So we're looking for anything we could do indoors. And massage is what we can do indoors. I've been looking forward to that. So I mean, we've both never done that, so it should be really interesting to see how that goes. Don't mind the edges. It's pissing me off. Maybe I should just redo it. Because it's given what I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so we're heading out to go to get a massage. And then later on tonight, I think we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna finish my work. watch some Netflix to that. So we have beach day tomorrow. And also, so the things I'm looking for, beach nails. Then I could check it off. I could check Ghana off. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, guys. Change of plans. So we decided to get our nails done because the massage place was booked. So we're gonna go there tomorrow, Thursday. So we're gonna get our nails done. So I'm pretty excited. And it's not that bad, but it grew. So oh, you can sue me. It's true. It's true. It's true. This girl said she could sue me. Now, wow. Hey. This is the place. These look so good though. They look so good. We'll try something else. I'm just playing around with colors. So far I did black, white, blue. This is orange. So we'll see if I like it. But so far it looks really good. I don't know what time I started, but it's currently 7:18. Me nails extension. Honestly, really good. This is Cecile doing her nails. I just scratched myself. This was literally $20. So good. So she's doing her nails right there. And then the driver left, so we're excited to go get changed, to go shower, get changed, and snuggle in bed, watch some Netflix. Actually, I can't watch some Netflix. I have to complete some work. But yeah, I am looking forward to eating, like getting some food, and then leaving. Tomorrow will be beach day. But talk to you guys later because I'm so tired. Hey guys, Cecile's done. Okay guys, so Cecile's done. We're gonna head out, look for food, then go home. Thank you. Can I see your nails? Wow. Hey, I should have got this one. It looks so natural, yeah. Hey, and I want to do show and tell. Oh, yours is really nice actually. So which one is mine? This one?